si Pepito. Ayan o, sobrang araw.
Because of your kindness, because of your generosity, ang ganda ngayon ng panahon ng pag-golf mo. Happy, happy birthday, Renz.
Hi Ren, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life, good health, more golfing years, and cheers.
Ma'am Renz, happy birthday. Congratulations on this successful event. And I hope you'll have us next year again. Again, congratulations and looking forward to the next tournament. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Renz! Wishing you the best of health and family.
I'm thankful to all the supporters from the first RKA tournament and then yung ngayon, ang daming nag-attend, ang daming nag-support at sobrang na-feel ko yung pagmamahal ninyong lahat.
Happy birthday, Renz!
Happy birthday, Renz! God bless and more power to you.
This is not just for me, but this is also for Abiertas Radiant School po ulit ang ating beneficiary.
I can't shake this feeling off. Can't shake this feeling off. Nothing's gonna be enough. Never gonna be enough. Can't wait, can't stop that clock. Can't wait, can't stop the clock. Tonight, get what I want, what I want.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sponsors po natin at sana hindi po kayo magsawa na mag-support ng ating pa-tournament.
So bring it on. So bring it on. I'm on my way to victory. On my way to victory.
Happy birthday, Renz! More birthdays to come!
Just leave it all to me. Nothing ever comes for free. Temperature rising, no need to fight it. Try as you might, you're not gonna prove it wrong. So bring it on. Heart of a lion, never stop trying. Past the horizon, always surviving. Temperature rising, no need to fight it. Try as you might, you're not gonna prove it wrong. So bring it on. So bring it on.
Happy birthday, Ren! Thank you very much. Thank you.
So bring it on.
Ayon sa ating bubit, alam nyo ba na ngayon pala ay birthday ni Miss Renz Aldegar, the great lady golfer, ha? Alam po nyo, itong si Renz ay talagang ang galing-galing talaga, ha? At dahil birthday mo yun, Renz, panalangin ka na sana pagpalain ka pa ni Lord. May you have more birthdays to come, more blessings, and more birdies and balls to come. Happy birthday, Renz! God bless! Cheers!
Happy birthday! See you next year!
Happy birthday to you!
Bulaga!
Happy birthday, Renz. Happy 40th day. May God bless you and wish you a peace of mind and always be happy.